Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Chocolate mug cakes for two. These are quick and easy, delicious, portion control chocolate desserts for you and your loved one that are perfect for Valentine's Day or any day you would like a mini chocolate cake for one or two. Satisfy your chocolate cake craving in less than 10 minutes with this easy to make mug microwave cake recipe. Let's go and see what we need today. So first I have this self-rising flour, some milk, 1 egg, I have some melted butter, I have regular granulated sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla essence, brown sugar, and to make it double chocolate chips, and 2 10-ounce mug which we use to bake and serve our cakes. So first in a mixing bowl I added all my dry ingredients, self-rising flour, brown sugar, regular plain white granulated sugar, and cocoa powder. Then take a whisk, mix until all the dry ingredients are mixed very well and combined together. Then add rest of your ingredients, your egg, melted butter, pour in your milk, vanilla essence, and then start mixing until all the dry ingredients are incorporated very well with your wet ingredients. This cake batter is almost ready. We have one more thing to add, chocolate chips, which makes it double chocolate cake. So add in your chocolate chips and gently mix them together. Now your cake batter is ready. Just fill your coffee mug halfway full. Don't overfill them because they rise a lot when they bake in microwave. Our mug cake is ready to go in the microwave. I like to microwave one mug at a time because it's easier to keep an eye on them. I put my cake on high for 1 minute, but every microwave is different. If you think after 1 minute your cake is not done, you can put for more 10 seconds, and after every 10-second interval you can check until your cake is completely done. So here my double chocolate mug cake out from the microwave. They are still warm at this time, so be very careful. For final decoration I thought to add some icing sugar on top. When you take it out of the microwave, you will have a mug of deliciously warm, moist double chocolate cake. With whom will you be sharing these deliciously chocolate mug cakes for two? Please let me know and leave me a comment down below. So we were craving for chocolate cake and I thought to make it and share it with my husband until...
What are you eating?
I said it already, recipe is for two. If you try this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any video or update. And don't forget to click on this link for my previous video.